Welcome to the Amazon Connector Quick Start Guide. This video will focus on configuration using restricted data access authentication. You will need this if you require access to personally identifiable information or restricted data as part of your e-commerce processes involving your Amazon marketplace. If your business transactions are solely fulfilled by Amazon, and you do not require access to the personal data of your end users or any other data that Amazon considers to be restricted, please see the Seller Central Authentication version of this video. Before starting this install, you will require BPA Platform 2021 or above, the Amazon Connector tool, an Amazon Seller Central account and credentials, a private app developer account with access to the direct-to-consumer shipping role as a minimum. Other roles are available and can be used for other operations. The BPA platform-related software can be downloaded via the partner area on the Codeless Platforms website. From the desktop, we will navigate to the Amazon Connector folder and run the Amazon Connector setup. Click Next through the following windows. For this demonstration, we are using the default installation location. Then click Install. When complete, click Finish. We can now open BPA Platform. Navigate to System, Tools, Data Connectors. Then open the Amazon Connector. This is the global configuration window, which lists all the connections you have created for this tool. Let's click Add. For this demonstration, we will name this connection Restricted Data Access Mode. And click Next. In the Amazon Connection General tab, we will select the operating country. As this connection requires access to end users' personal data, under Access Details, we will select Enable Restricted Data Access Mode. You will need to enable this setting if your private app developer account has direct-to-consumer shipping or any other restricted permissions granted. We now need to complete a number of fields to enable the connection to be created. You can refer to the online Amazon documentation for further details on how to set up and obtain these features. The AWS IAM User Access Key, AWS IAM User Secret Access Key, and AWS IAM Role ARN for the application can be retrieved from the AWS Identity and Access Management console. The App ID, Client Identifier, Client Secret, and Refresh Token values can be located in the Developer Central area of Seller Central, under Apps and Services, Develop Apps. Once populated, click Authorize to create the Restricted Data Access Mode connection to Amazon. When the initial authentication is completed, the connection is also established. Use Test Connection to confirm this at any time. Click Next to go to the Advanced node. This page enables the configuration of request limit retries and the use of pagination in the connector. The Enable Pagination option is selected by default, enabling the Amazon Connector to internally handle pagination for SP API responses. Amazon will only return a set number of records at a time in some operations, requiring pagination to be employed to return all expected responses. If you uncheck this option, then the fields relating to pagination will be present in the Step UI for affected operations and will require repeated calls at runtime and more user intervention. For more information on this, please see the white paper. The retry setting governs how many times a call to Amazon will be attempted if a 429 error is returned from the API. This reduces the chances of task failures because of Amazon's rate limits. Its default setting is 3 retries. However, if this is not sufficient, you can increase this value. The retry wait time drop-down is used to set the time interval in seconds between retry attempts if the retry setting is greater than 0. We will leave this at 3 seconds. Enabling update objects and operations allows the Amazon connector schema in BPA platform to be refreshed every time an update is made to the objects and operations. For this demonstration, we will leave this unchecked. We will then click the Amazon connection node. This will display the connection summary. Click OK to close this window. And that's it for this quick start guide. If you require more information, please see any accompanying documentation and the tool white papers. For further assistance, please contact your account manager or visit codelessplatforms.com. Thanks for watching.